Tech paddles are handheld paddles that can be used to help you improve your swimming technique and positioning. The perfect paddle size is just slightly larger than your hand. To use the paddle, place it on your hand against your palm. Slide your hand under the two straps so that your middle finger is held by the top strap. As well as being useful for increasing shoulder strength, tech paddles can be used to help improve the positioning of your hands as they enter the water for the freestyle stroke.